Hey everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen! Today we're making easy, soft, perfectly spiced Christmas gingerbread cookies. The kind that make the whole house smell like the holidays. So grab your ingredients. First, we add the butter to our bowl. Next, we add the sugar right in. Then we add the brown sugar as well. And finally, we add the ginger powder. Now we take our mixer and start blending everything together. Mix slowly at first, then a little faster, until the butter and sugars are fully combined and the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. You want to make sure every bit of sugar is incorporated and the batter looks soft and uniform. This step really helps give our gingerbread cookies that perfect texture. Next, we add 1 egg to the mixture. Start mixing again, making sure the egg fully incorporates into the batter. You'll see the mixture become even smoother and a bit lighter in color. This step helps bind all the ingredients together and gives our gingerbread cookies a soft, tender texture. Once everything is well mixed, we fold in the grated apple. Gently stir it in so the apple distributes evenly throughout the batter. This will add a natural sweetness and moisture, making our gingerbread cookies extra soft and flavorful. Now we add the flour in 2 stages. Here's the first part. Sprinkle it in gradually and start folding it into the batter gently. Take your time so the mixture stays light and doesn't get too dense. This helps our gingerbread cookies stay soft and tender. Now we add the rest of the flour. Gently fold it in just like before, making sure everything comes together without overmixing. The dough should be soft, slightly sticky, and ready to shape. This careful mixing keeps our gingerbread cookies perfectly tender and full of flavor. Next, we clean the sides of the bowl with a spatula and give the batter one final gentle mix. This ensures that all the ingredients are fully incorporated and nothing is sticking to the sides. Our dough is perfectly smooth and ready for the next step. Now, cover the bowl and let the dough rest in the fridge for 1 hour. Now we put the sugar and cinnamon into a bowl and mix them really well. This will give our gingerbread cookies that perfect sweet and spicy flavor on top. Using a scoop, we take portions of the dough and place them into the bowl with the sugar and cinnamon mixture. Roll or press each piece gently so the sugar and cinnamon stick evenly all around the dough. Then, transfer the coated dough onto a baking tray, leaving some space between each piece. This extra step makes sure every cookie has that sweet, spiced coating and will bake beautifully in the oven. Now, bake them in the oven at 170 degrees for 12 minutes. And just like that, our gingerbread cookies are ready. Soft, spiced, and perfect for enjoying with a cup of tea. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Enjoy every bite.